Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can send Google Calendar invite link in email. So I will show the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Chrome. Just log in with your account and just go this option, app options, and just find that calendar. Where it is, calendar here. Just click on it. The calendar will be open. Now you can go to the create. You can create events, tasks, or appointment schedule. So I just create event here. You can add your event name, okay, like this. From here also you can switch with the event, tasks, and appointment schedule. Here you can select your date and time from to 1.5 hours. You can select all day or you can select the time zone if you want, okay. And here the repeat, you can also daily repeat, weekly on Friday, monthly on the second Friday, annually on August, whatever you want you can repeat, okay. Or you can select do not repeat. Here the main part, here you can add your guest email ID so that your event link will be sent to that email ID. So you can add your emails, your guest emails like this one by one. So I have add here 2 random email here. Here the permission of guest, you can give the permission to modify your events to your guest, or you can give them permission to invite others, or give them permission to see guest list, okay. If you don't want to see them, since the guest list they can see, but if you want to hide to others you can uncheck it, okay. And here the Google Meet links, okay, up to 100 guests connection. You can add up to 100 guests here by entering their email ID one by one. And you can add the location here. You can add that event description, and if you want to attach anything like PDF files, so you can attach from here, okay. Once you're done, just click save. Now this email ID get the email. Once you click on save, let me save it, okay. In more option you can see the more details in more visible, you can see. Now you go to the save. Now they asking you to back to edit, don't send, or just send it, okay. If you click on don't send, it won't be sent, but it will be saved. Your invitation will be saved on your calendar. If you go to the send, it will be sent, okay. So I just go to the send. Now the guest email ID will get the email from you of your event link, and they will accept your invitations, and you will get the email of every acceptance, okay. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.